Welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to share an amazing internship opportunity that is from IIT Bombay. You'll be getting a paid internship of around 12,000 per month. Also, some important things, you'll be getting free accommodation, free food, that too, all free of cost, and you'll be getting a chance to visit the campus also. What is this opportunity? Who can apply? All things will cover in this video, so stay tuned till the end. It's Trust Lab Summer Internship program by IIT Bombay, and it is a 2 month program. Okay, it will start from 10th of May and it will be continuing till 10th of July. What are the details? Let me tell you. As I said earlier, it's a 2 month program and requires on-site participation, means you need to be physically present over there. So here you cannot fill the form and get selected. They'll filter out and then just they will notify you the people who will be selected. They'll be on campus accommodation, means you don't have to pay anywhere, means you don't have to just hire PG or get a PG for staying. All things will be done in the campus itself. Now here let's come to the next thing, that is the application. So deadline is approaching mostly tomorrow, that is 20th of April. The deadline will be completed. How we have to apply, I'll tell you. So here are the project list. You can see if you just open, these are the projects list. So out of which you have to select the project under which you want to work. Also next to it, the faculty name is also there. Okay, the project title is there, the abstract and prerequisites are also there, so you can just see. You have to select a project. Let me just show you how you have to apply. So for application process, you have to simply click on apply over here, and when you click on apply, mostly it will ask your email, full name, contact number, institute name, where you are studying, means college name. Okay, after that you have to mention the degree, which year you are studying. You can mention first year students can be also apply, means you can apply if you are a first year student also, in simple words. Now here you can see project code is there. If you come to the sheet, where sheet is available in the project list, this sheet is available. You will click on it, then you'll see this sheet. So here you can see project code is there. Okay, so whichever project you are interested in working, you can just select that code, and here you have to upload your CV. After that you have to just upload a statement of purpose, means I think you have to just create a document about why you feel this particular opportunity or this particular opportunity, means platform and opportunity will be helpful for you. You can just mention it and referee. So if you can leave this blank also. Okay. So here they have mentioned that referee one. So here you can include the name of your college faculty also, or if you know anyone from IIT Bomb faculty, you can mention over here. So, and then simply submit it. All the things will be done. You'll be notified via email regarding the next update. So hurry up and take the benefit of this opportunity. Also, we have covered multiple opportunities on the channel. If you want to see, you can just check them out. Regarding the Arcade program, we have different programs coming parallelly. So take the benefit of all the opportunities. Thank you. Goodbye.